They are under arrest because they have flouted the directive of the ministry not to operate today, because today is set aside as a sanitation day, and everybody is expected to respect today. That is from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. But to our surprise, despite the fact that there was announcement and so many people heard of the announcement, it seems as if the tricycle operators decided just to disregard the announcement and to go about their normal businesses. So it is on the basis of this that they were arrested. Everybody is supposed to stay in his place of abode, make sure that his place is clean.